Jai Gurudev children. Today we are going to start next chapter, Modern Olympics. Let's have a reading of this chapter. The modern Olympic Games were founded in year 1894 by Baron Pierre de Coubertin, who was a French educationist. He sought to promote international harmony and understanding through sporting competition. The great Frenchman strongly believed in the Olympic ideal that even enemies could be united in sporting competition. The first modern Olympics were finally held in 1896 and attracted athletes from 14 nations of the world. At the first modern Olympic Games in 1896 that were held at the place of birth of the philosophy of the Olympics, Greece, the largest delegations came from the Greece, Germany, France and Great Britain. The interest in reviving the ancient Olympic Games as an international event grew in the mid-19th century. It was during this time that the ruins of ancient Olympia were excavated by German archaeologists. Coubertin in 1890 founded the Union des Sociétés Françaises des Sports Athletiques, a French sports organization. 2 years later, in a historic meeting of Union des Sociétés Françaises des Sports Athletiques on November 25, 1892 in Paris, Coubertin suggested the revival of the Olympic Games. He arranged for a conference with 79 delegates representing 9 countries in 1894. The delegates unanimously voted for hosting the first modern Summer Olympic Games in 1896. Held in Athens in 1896, the first modern Olympic Games were the biggest international sports event staged in the times. The international multi-sporting event hence began from the place of birth of the Olympics and came to be subdivided as Summer and Winter Olympic Games. The Winter Olympics that began from the year 1924 were held in Chamonix, France. The International Olympic Committee is the organization that arranges the Olympic Games. The International Olympic Committee was created by Pierre de Coubertin and Demetrius Vaucellus on June 23, 1894. The Games are the exclusive property of the IOC, which has the last word on any issue related to the Games. Women also found an entry into the modern Olympic Games, though not in the first Games but in 1900. Since then, women have been regularly showing their sporting prowess in the Games. Coubertin and the IOC believed in the noble thought that the Games should be a means to promote harmony between the nations of the world. Keeping this in mind, they decided to host the Games in different nations across the globe. As a consequence, the second modern Olympic Games were held in Paris, France in 1900. The modern Olympic Games, which started with merely 14 nations participating in the international sporting event, now has over 200 nations across the globe as participants. In 2008, at the Beijing Olympic Games, 203 countries sent their athletes to participate. The modern Olympic Games too have gone through difficult times. The Games were begun to encourage international peace and harmony. However, in 1980, the United States of America did not participate in the Moscow Olympic Games. USSR followed suit when the Olympic Games were held in Los Angeles, USA. In a shocking incident in Munich in 1972, 11 athletes were killed by terrorists. Later, in 1996, a bomb attack during the Games killed 2 people in Atlanta. The Olympic Games, despite the trying times, have been a great link between nations and people of different faiths, cultures, and backgrounds.